Are the new deals. All right, new buy one get one free. More buy one get one. Buy one get one free. Yes. New deals have dropped at the Home Depot. Yes, Milwaukee deals. Buy one get one free. You got all sorts of newer deals dropped. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. That really does help out the channel. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Some clearance here. $249 for this hatchet. It is the kit that's come with battery, the charger, and everything in there. That's what it comes with. It is the M18 fuel. So you guys are not getting the bigger battery. So $699 on clearance, down from $849. This is a 224 cc. So pretty larger unit. You guys do see the box on the right side there. Actually pretty nice. You got a coil nailer, 2.5. This one's $215, down from $429. So for the Makitas, this is the clearance section, by the way. You got the hammer drill at $168, down from $239. This is just the drill itself. And same thing with this impact driver. This is the 850 3-speed impact driver. All right, they still got these deals. They're still pretty solid deals. Buy one get one free. So you can buy any of the tools on the top, get an 8 amp hour battery, or the tools at the bottom, you get a 5. I do recommend you guys go with the top ones, especially that vacuum. That was a newer vacuum. And that 12 amp hour battery for $199, you get a free battery. You guys are able to hack these. Definitely hack them. If you guys don't know how it is, just let us know in the comment section how to do that. Somebody will help you, or me. All right, you got a portable power source, $34 up from $69. That's actually not bad. This is actually half price. All right, these are the new deals. Yes, new deals just dropped. These are the newer ones. There's a whole bunch more, so pretty much the whole video is Milwaukee, to tell the truth. All right, so that is the starter kit you're gonna have to buy at $199. It does include 2 batteries, 2 5 amp hour high output batteries for $199, and it does qualify for a free tool. That is the starter kit there at the top. Those are 2 high output batteries, 2 5 charger. And those are the tools you're going to get for free. So you're able to choose a battery. You got the oscillating tool. You got the inflator, circular saw, the blower. But check this out. You do have the pump. Yes, the transfer pump, the stick transfer pump. It is down there at the bottom. We'll show you guys a little bit better picture for you. You got an impact driver. You got the shears. Definitely worth it because it is $199. The stapler and the ratchet. That is the transfer pump there, the stick transfer pump, the radio, the fan, the 3 cutoff tool, and then you got the rotary tool there. So yes, lots of good tools. Definitely the transfer pump's one of the big one, and the shears is probably one of the newer ones as well. Yes, that is the kit. That is the box you have to buy, pick up, so you can qualify for a free tool. That is the shears, valued at $199. You got the ratchet there. And then you got the oscillating tool, and then the cutoff tool, and then the radio there to the right. I did not see the pump though. That's probably sold out or on a different section there. These are all other deals that they had. So this 2 batteries, 3 amp hour for $129. You get the D-handle rotary hammer for $159. Those are M18 tools. $399 for the 4-tool combo kit. And then you got 2 6 amp hour for $249. These are high output batteries. And then you got a circ saw, a 7 1/4 brushless circ saw for $179. Some more buy one get one free. Yes, they are more buy one get one free. Let's look at it. Let's see what's up with this. That is the $229 starter kit. That does include an impact driver and a drill driver. 2-tool combo kit. Those are all fuel tools. They do come with a nice case. That does qualify for a free tool. And those are the free tools. You get the Robert 12 volts service and repair floodlights, or the oscillating tool. Definitely check it out. And also the soldering iron does qualify for this, and the 3/8 ratchet. So any of those, definitely the 3/8 ratchet is one of the best ones to get with this deal. All right, on to the next one. Buy one get one free. Yes, $229. This is a 12 cable stapler. 12-volt cable stapler. And this is what you're gonna get for free. You got 1-inch insulated cable staplers. $79 for the 2-pack of batteries, and then the wet and dry vacuum for $99, and the 3 amp hour there on the right. All right, so this is the box you're gonna be able to pick up. So it does qualify for the free tool, valued at $229. You got the rest of the tools that you're gonna get or choose for free. There to the right, including that soldering iron right there at the last box there. And then at the bottom, you can select the stapler, which is tool only, unfortunately, but you supposedly already have the batteries and chargers. All right, so new buy one get one free just dropped for this set. Yeah, this is a $249 for the mid torque impact wrench with friction ring. You guys know this thing is a beast. You're gonna get the deep socket set, a 1/2 inch drive 6-point socket set, valued at $54.97. So that's a really good deal. Definitely check that one out. You guys are able to hack that as well. $249 for the hammer drill kit. It does include a 5 amp hour, actually 2 5s and a charger. $99 for the compact blower. That is a job site blower, not a leaf blower. $179 for the inflator. I do have that inflator. That thing's a beast. And then you got the pack of 2 6 amp hour lead lithium forge batteries there for $299. All right, so that is the drill driver or the hammer drill kit, the inflator. Unfortunately, no free tools on these. You got the blower there, the compact blower, job site blower. And then you got the sockets there you're going to get for free with that impact wrench. And then the 2 batteries for $299, the newer forged batteries. All right, new buy one get one free. Yes, there's more. This is the lower tier. This is the $129, the one you're gonna the cheapest basically. That does qualify for a free tool. So, all right, on this one you're gonna get a 2-pack of CP 2 amp hour battery with the 12-volt system and a charger. These are the tools that do qualify for that free tool, and yes, these are hackable. These are definitely hackable. All right, you got the fan, you got the job site blower, you got the crown stapler, you got the inflator, the M12 inflator, you got the rotary tool, you got the impact driver. So all those tools do qualify for that free tool or for the hack, however you guys want to call it. And all right, some really nice deals, a lot to look at today. $79 for the bottom ones. You got the right angle impact driver 1/4 inch. You got the rover light for $99, and then looks like a drill kit there. So that is the toolkit that you have to purchase so you can get what does qualify for the free tool. That is valued at $129, so it is the cheaper one. All the tools are there to the right. All right, so buy one get one free. Yes, there's more new buy one get one free. Just dropped. So they dropped everything at once. I don't know what they're doing, but that's what they're doing. All right, you buy any of these and it does qualify for a free gift. So you can buy the cutout tool for $129, the random orbit sander, $129, the oscillating tool, multi-tool, just the M18 to $139. Got the wet and dry vacuum valued at $149, and then the 2-tool combo kit valued at $199. You do get a red lithium 2 amp hour CP 2 amp hour battery for free, valued at $99. These are hackable, guys. Definitely jump on these. Go all over the place when these. Go and get them before they sell out. All right, so you got $59.97 and $79 for those flashlights. $29.97 for the 325 lumen and the 300 lumen floodlights. And you got the stick light there. Pretty nice, $79.99. You got a flashlight there for $39.97, and then the other for $29.97. And then you got the rechargeables there. All right, $99 for the battery. That's what you're gonna get for free with that deal. All right, so $299 for the chainsaw. This is a 16-inch chainsaw, and then you got the dual battery blower of $249. So these are not buy one get one free, at least not on this deal. You do have to look at the previous one. All right, more new deals just dropped. Yes, there's some more new deals. $14.97 for all these. I will go over them in just a sec. Oh, there you go. All right, so this is the fastback. It does come with the screwdriver. And guess what, guys? It does come with the bottle opener. So, yeah, 3 tools in one. There you go. The most important tool, the beer opener. All right. So next one down, you got this is a 13 in one, not the 21 in one we saw the other day, or 27 in one. It was, they lowered it to the 13 in one, and then you got the 25 footer auto lock. Now this one's pretty nice. All you have to do is just pull it out and it stays out. Yeah. Pull it out and it stays out, right? That's the way it looks, and just push the button and it retracts back in. You got the torque lock there, a leverage, durable grip, a little pry bar there, and then you got shears there. All right, next one down, you got a helmet, safety helmet. You got some safety glasses, so better protection, more comfort. It says it does have some vents there, and it is compatible with some of the lights. The Milwaukee lights, and $19.97 for those glasses, $14.97 for the high visibility vest, $12.97 for the gloves, and $4.97 for the dipped gloves. All right, I personally do wear these. I use nothing but these. I do love these. They are fog free. I really like that. I have both in my house and in my work truck. Got the carry more on that high visibility vest. You got some nice gloves there with the screen. You can swipe your screen with that. All right, so more deals. $59.97, $19.97. These are new too as well. 8-piece multi-tool, and then you got the vacuum filter. So that is the 8-piece. You got hardwood, you got multi-material, and then you got regular wood blades, and then you got the air tip there. Dust collector, $39.97. That's pretty nice. And then you got some SDS rotary bits there, concrete chisel sets. So $34.97 for that, $27.97 for the saw blades. All right, so this one is very interesting. What they did a combo of a chisel, and it says concrete with rebar. So pretty nice 6-piece combo. What they did with that. So if you own a SDS, definitely pick one up. I think I need to pick one up because I don't have those kind of blades or chisels. All right, so some Advanti. You got a 2-pack of 10 for $19.97 and a 2-pack of 12, 80 tooth. So that's it right there. You guys do a lot with miter saws. Some more reciprocating saw blades from the Diablo. $8.97 for the smaller one. So that's a 9-inch. Pruning, fast wood cleanup. And then you got the 12-inch. Of course, it's wood and pruning. So definitely useful for those trees and bushes and all that. $39.88 for the 7 1/4 48 tooth. So those are the circ saw blades. Definitely worth it. And then you got some sanding discs. $19.97 down from $40. This is a 5-inch 15 free. So that's it right there. You are able to wet sand these or wet use them, wash them. $29.88 for the 5-piece universal purpose oscillating blades. This one does come with a really nice case. Got clean wood nailed in bend, and then you got metal. So, all right, next one down, we got some more circular saw blades. $19.97, $14.97, and $19.97 for the ultra finish. So just depend on what you're looking for. This is the framing. This is the rough cut. There you go. All right, some more deals. $39.97 for the Shockwave Impact Duty 60-piece. Got the 4-piece screw extractor set, $19.97. Red Helix 6-piece drill bit set, $17.97. And then you got the 7-piece titanium. That is the extractor set. It is compatible with drills and impact drivers. Definitely check it out. And then you got the Cobalt Red Helix 6-piece. And then the titanium there. So not bad. Some clearance. A Sedona orange. And these are work clothing that was left over. Not much left over, but just thought I want to share with you guys. Anyways, you guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. that really does help out this channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.